How to add your profile picture in People. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily update or use anyone. First of all, open the application. Now I'm in my home page. Here on the right top, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. So this is the settings interface. Here you'll be able to find different options. Here on the top, on the name section, here there's a profile picture too. Simply tap on it. And here there are two different options. Either you can take a new photo or choose it from your gallery. So here simply tap on the one. Now simply select the image that you want to upload. So here I am selecting one. After you do that, it will take some time, and as you can see, the image is uploaded. So the profile picture is set. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.